Now first question is, if A plus B plus C is equal to pi, means 180 degree. Now here condition is given that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So if A plus B plus C is equal to pi, then what we have to prove? We have to prove sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C is equal to 4 sin A sin B sin C. Okay. So now sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C is equal to 4 sin A sin B sin C. This we have to prove. Now left hand side. Sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. Now to this we are just applying a formula here for sin C plus sin D. So this becomes 2 sin 2A plus 2B upon 2 cos 2A minus 2B upon 2 plus sin 2C. Okay. So what we have used? We have used a formula sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D upon 2 cos C minus D upon 2. Okay. Now this part becomes 2 sin A plus B cos A minus B plus sin 2C. Okay. Now using the condition, now this becomes 2 sin pi minus C cos A minus B plus sin 2C. A plus B plus C is equal to pi, therefore A plus B is equal to pi minus C. Now this becomes 2 sin C. Now pi minus C is in the second quadrant, so sign is positive. So it becomes 2 sin C cos A minus B plus 2 sin C cos C. Sin 2C is equal to 2 sin C cos C. Taking 2 sin C common, we are having cos A minus B plus cos C. Okay. Now two sin C cos A minus B plus cos pi minus A plus B. A plus B plus C is equal to pi, therefore C is equal to pi minus A plus B. Two sin C cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. cos pi minus theta is equal to negative of cos theta. So that's why here it becomes negative. Now 2 sin c, 2 sin a minus b plus a plus b upon 2 sin a plus b negative of a positive of b upon 2. Now here I have changed the signs, okay. So cos c minus cos d is equal to twice of sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. Now this becomes 2 sin c, 2 sin a sin b, 2 times 2 sin a sin b sin c is equal to 4 sin a sin b sin c is equal to right hand side, left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved.